So guys, this is how to apply this tomato cream. You can apply it in the morning and also in the night. You can apply it 2 or 3 times in a day. Just use it as your normal cream. Apply it on your face and also on your body. It will give you spotless and flawless skin. This cream is very active. It will remove all the pigmentation on your skin. It will also help you to get rid of acne, dark spots, and also give you glowing skin. Just try this recipe, try it, make sure you apply it in a clean body. Make sure you take your bath before applying this recipe. You will see a result. Just this one can last for 1 week. Just store it in a fridge. Just store it in a fridge, okay? Store it in a fridge. The oil, the many oil, you can use it as your body oil. It's also good for your skin. Everything we use here is 100% natural. It does not have any side effects. Thank you so much for watching. Please tell me what you think about this recipe I shared with you guys in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow and like my page and also share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for tuning in and see you guys in my next video. Bye.